Everyone, so we are here. We arrived at the camping spot, which is near a lagoon, but it's been very, very windy, as you can see there. This is our view at the back, and we actually have a neighbor here. It's a van and a caravan. As you can see, it's very, very dark, right? And what we usually do is, because we need some privacy, we have closed the curtain here. Okay, here, this is the windscreen curtain, so people cannot peep inside. And this is my jacket that I use for the outside, our cap, haversack, and we have 2 seats here and there, and of course GoPro. Do not leave home without it. Yeah, and this is where, this is our dining area, our table or dining area, and this is our cooker. Yeah, our stove where we cook, but we don't think we'll cook tonight because we had a very big lunch. Okay, and that's our neighbor. This is quite a typical way. They have like a car or van, in this case a van, and then they will pull along a caravan. It's a very comfortable vehicle to live on the road. And you see, no, you don't have to be. And that's what my co-pilot do when when I'm not driving. She does this.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's our bicycle. We hook it up. It's very it's very secured, and it's a very good bike, a very good thing to have when we travel around in time, like in Valencia. A lot of bicycle, and it's actually very, very, very secured. Yeah, but it's quite a pain to bring it up and down lah. But well, we love it. So okay, that's it for now. We'll get back to you. We'll get online again next time when we cook dinner. See you. Right. So today has been very rainy and windy. If that's the sound of the wind howling. So we try to be productive, and what we do now is do face mask.
First time in 3 months.
Yeah, first time in 3 months.
Because you know time to do also.
Yeah, we've been very busy. Busy. Okay, let's do it. And I need a haircut. Okay.
What are your hair? Do your hair. Yeah.
Very cold.
Very cold. In Singapore, if we say shiok down here we say oh my god
No, I cannot breathe. I cannot breathe. Put it up. How do I look?
Beautiful.
Actually, this morning we went to the market.
Did you wash your face?
Yeah.
You scrub
it. And we went to the market in where? Abu Furia. And then there was a barber, an old man, cutting hair of other old men. So there were like 1, 2, 3, 4 other people, and he said, "Oh, they are full." I don't know what lah. They spoke in Portuguese.
You ask him eh?
He
went and
said
ask
something. Yeah. He blah 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 blah. I don't know what. Oh, I wanted to ask a price, but I didn't get there. Anyway, because he like blah, 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 like busy, like I don't know what lah. Anyway, there was another one earlier at where was it? Tavira the other day. This woman on the window, it says €6, but it was a real auntie. So I don't know whether my hair would be very auntie like, you know. So we'll see. Apa dia? Alright, so how long should we leave this on?
15. I got timer.
15 minutes. But my time, your time is different, huh?
Yeah lah, then at 5 minutes
Alright. Aduh. Oh. Oh. I put my eye. I'll be back in 15 minutes. Ciao. Alright. I forgot to take video of our face mask. So this is what's left for the face mask. And that's what we do. We try to do on a rainy, cold, windy night in Portugal. And after that, this is dinner. Orange, because we had a very, very big dinner of fish, and fish.
Fish buffet for 10 euro.
Yeah, seven kind of fishes for 10 euros each.
And they would have given us more, but we couldn't eat anymore.
Okay, so guess what? And this orange is orange season in Spain and Portugal, and we bought this whole bunch. It's very heavy. Like 2 of this is equal to like half a kilo, and there's like 2, 4, 6, 7 pieces for 250 euros. Or how many? 3 packs for 5 euros, right?
3 packs for 7.
3
the
packs
5 euro one is Clementine.
Yeah, so 7 euros, but we just take 1 pack. It will take a while for us. So let's see. I do not like masam things or sour things, so let's see.
It's sweet. It's not masam at all.
Okay, yeah, but
Yeah,
it's not as sweet
this
as
one is damn good. But
the one that we bought in Triana Market in Seville. That one was superb. It's sweet, juicy, fleshy. This one is, but there's some difference to it.
this one is juicy.
The flesh is juicy, but it's a little bit sour, not as sweet. But okay lah, you know, in Singapore I hardly eat orange because they are all quite sour. That's sour lah.
That's not sour. It's sweet.
It's my, it's not very sweet to me, but I can say that I'll show you that. Alright, so I'll have a few slices. Well, if you don't know already, I found a way to cut oranges and eat them easier and better. So what you do is, for example, you don't cut it in like whatever size, you cut it in like circle. Okay, these are like 2 different parts. Okay, like that, right? You cut it like this, like in half of circle, semicircle. So what you can do is, you can just peel when you bend this over. When you like bend this, yeah, so difficult this one. Okay, when you bend this, like you see, it opens up and it's easier to eat. So I'll be finishing this. Bye.